Mikel Arteta, 44-letni španski trener, ki se ga je v dobrih 6 letih delovanja pri Arsenalu oprijel vzdevek večno drugi, nas sprejme v sobi za taktične sestanke.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, Nataša, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
V 4. sezoni zapored, ko je Arsenal eden glavnih favoritov za naslov angleškega prvaka, ostaja prepričan, da jim bo tokrat uspelo osvojiti prestižno lovoriko.
Do you feel that this year you are the closest to winning it?
I think we are closer than any other year. There's still 7 games remaining, which in the Premier League it's a lot. So we are in a really strong position, and we really want it. We've been chasing it for years, and hopefully this year is going to be the one.
Yes, and you often talk about the team's mentality. Do you feel that this Arsenal generation is mentally ready to take the final step?
Yes, if not, you don't have the consistency that we've shown for 8 months already in all competitions. We have more experience, that's for sure. I think the team is mature in many aspects. And now we have to show it on the pitch when the most matters in this final part of the season to deliver what is needed to go and win.
A dvome o zmagovalni mentaliteti te ekipe je najprej sprožil poraz v finalu angleškega ligaškega pokala proti Manchester Cityju.
There's been some criticism that your team lacked courage and creativity in attack. In that League Cup final, how do you see this issue?
Well, we certainly lack something. If not, we would have won the game. We like to put the ball in the net when we have big chances to do that. We made certain errors that in a final you get punished. And in the second half, the game changed too much. So it's good when something happens like this. It's going to help us to be better for the 3 trophies that we still have left.
Tudi ta seznam se je medtem skrčil, ko je v četrtfinalu pokala FA drugoligaš Southampton izločil Arsenal.
The quality of your team is not in question. Your squad is full of outstanding talent, including Gyökeres, Rice, Eze, Saka. But do you expect more from the big names in your squad in key moments of the season?
That's what we want, that the biggest player appear in the key moments to make the difference. And they've done that throughout the season in many ways. I think the best thing that we have is that we have shared the load of goals through 17, 18 players, which is very rare to do. But it's true that in key moments, somebody is going to have to appear to make the difference and win the key game in the right moment.
Which one will do it?
Who
do you expect to stand out?
No, I think we have plenty of players that they can do that in different ways. I think it's a responsibility that the team has to take, and then individually you have to own the moment and do it.
Arteti in njegovim varovancem sta tako preostali le še 2 lovoriki. Najpomembnejša je jasno Premier League.
How much pressure do you feel to achieve it?
It's not pressure, it's a reality. How many teams have won something big after 22 or 23 years in Europe? Very little. So that tells you the difficulty of that. If obviously Arsenal would have won the league 2 years ago, it's much easier to win today. I knew on the day that I came here what I had to build, and it wasn't only that, it was a lot of things. And we are in the right track and process to achieve it.
Is this, alongside the title race, also a bit of a personal challenge for you to beat Pep?
For Pep, no. For a personal challenge to make a lot of Arsenal supporters and fans happy all over the world after that many years, that's for sure what it's driving me.
In na poti do tega cilja bo potrebno, kot poudarja Arteta, blesteti v vseh pogledih igre. Kar 31% ligaških golov je Arsenal dosegel iz prekinitev.
How did you manage to reinvent your set-piece play, and do you expect this to be your biggest weapon in the final part of the season?
It's one of the weapons for sure, but it's a weapon that you need if you want to win major trophies. You have to do that, attacking and defending. You have to see the other teams as well, how good they have become. It's the evolution of the league, I would say, especially in the Premier League, and some of the rules that have been modified. And we need to exploit every angle of the game to try to be the best team.
Regarding set pieces, you've probably seen the new mock-ups of Arsenal's logo, including a corner flag. Have you considered that change?
I haven't seen it, so I cannot consider it.
It was viral.
Okay.
Tik pred zaključkom naporne sezone Arteta pove še, da so igralci še vedno polni energije.
How tired are the players, physically and mentally, and you as well?
That word doesn't exist. It's just about excitement, about energy, and about positivity. We played 50 games already as a team, plus all the international games that they play. So we have navigated incredibly well up to this point, and I'm sure we'll continue to do that.
And the last question, since we are from Slovenia, I have to ask this as well. The last summer there were reports that Arsenal was interested in Slovenian striker Benjamin Šeško, but you signed Viktor Gyökeres instead. Do you sometimes think about what it would be like if Šeško played for your team?
No, you guys have a lot of very good players in the national team and the league as well that I know very well now. But no, I don't think once we make a decision, stick by it and move on.
In s tem upanjem, da mu bo prav švedski napadalec, za katerega so poleti odšteli 67 milijonov evrov, pomagal do težko pričakovanega naslova angleškega prvaka, zaključujeva pogovor.
Thank you very much, Mikel, for your time and good luck.
Thank you. All the best. Thank you.